When using 4K or 6K photo mode, you may find yourself panning with the subject, and when you play the photos back, they all look like they're at an angle, as if there was some kind of rolling shutter effect that's in the image. The GH5 has the way to correct that when you're exporting your images. So let's go ahead and show you an example of what rolling shutter looks like, and we'll show you how to correct it. So we're going to just introduce a bit of a camera pan here, like this. I'm going to start capturing my 6K image. Stop capture. We're going to wait for it to play back. Now, as I roll through these, you can see where the glass looks like it's leaning at an angle. If you take a look, it's got kind of a rounded edge there. What I can do is when I go to capture the image, instead of just hitting yes for save, go to reduce rolling shutter. It's going to process the image, and it corrected it, so now everything is geometrically correct. I'll switch back and forth so you can see exactly what it looks like. Now if we click Save the Image, it processes and removes the rolling shutter, and I've got a corrected image captured.
Panasonic.